Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all right and looking forward to your weekend. I am back with another unboxing and it's been time since I did this one. It's Degustabox. Yes, it is. And also on top of that, I decided that I'm just gonna switch it up a bit, give you something else to look at, and that is this face mask by Vitamasque. It's late. I really wanted to put a Parcel on before I went to bed. My husband's like, oh, when are you gonna open Degustabox? I really want to see what's inside. I thought, okay, I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that, and we can see by the end of the video whether this mask was any good, and we're going to see what's inside Degustabox. Why not make it more interesting? So if you want to find out what this is all about, what that's all about, then you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to share this when you're done, and of course ring that notification bell. Alright, let's get into the video. So this mask is a ruby sheet mask. It says recharge mind and restore skin, made with ruby stone powder and goji berries, gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy and colour therapy, 4 in 1. And I got this in my advent calendar, I think, the Pip Box advent calendar, which I loved. There's been a lot of products in that I've used already that I really like, or my husband's used. It says this pink coloured mask contains ruby powder and geranium essential oil to help you recharge your mind. At the same time, the red plant extracts such as pomegranate and goji berries help to restore your skin. That's what I'm going to do. See if I feel happy, relaxed and enjoying my life. Degustabox is £12.99 a month. I will put a code on there that you can use to get a discount. Just pop it in the box at checkout and it helps you and it helps me as well, because sometimes I get free boxes if enough people sign up, which definitely helps my channel. I appreciate it. And it's a goodie box basically. You get all kinds of things. You get drinks, you get sweets, you get food, you get sauces, you get things like squash, you get new products to the market, you get products that have been around a while, sometimes products that are having a revamp. I'll give you a quick glimpse but then I'll put it down because it's really bloody heavy, and yeah, I don't want to damage this arm as much as that arm. Let's get comfortable. Let's get this mask on. I'm back in a flash. And I'm back. Do you know what? For Halloween, this is definitely what I should do. I should just wear a face mask and answer the door if anyone rings the bell. And then they'd be like, oh, scary. That would work, wouldn't it? Okay. It does smell of rose, so if you're not into rose, you might not like it, but it's not that strong. I smell it a bit on my face, but not massively. More on my fingers. And I don't really know if it's going to do anything apart from maybe make me feel happy or something, relaxed. I don't know. Let's see if it stays on with all the talking I'm going to do. Let's see what our bits are in here. So it's our October box. It's our time for an October giveaway. Follow the Instagram and leave a comment on the competition letting us know why you'd like to receive a 6-month Degustabox subscription, and tag 2 friends and you will be in the draw to win a 6-month Degustabox subscription. So worth having a look at if you check out their Instagram. I've got this that says Spice Up Ginger Beer. I don't know what it is. And it has cocktail recipes on the back. What else have we got? Upbeat drinks, protein and vitamin waters, super smoothies. Okay, save 10% at Amazon when you use Degustabox 10 at checkout if you want to buy any. Oh, there's a competition offering you the chance to win a year's free Degustabox. They can't decide whether they like blueberry and raspberry or summer lemon. So head to their Instagram and follow them, and like and comment on a post of your favourite flavour using the hashtag #ChooseUpbeat to win a year's free Degustabox subscription. Imagine if you got both, you'd be rolling in it, wouldn't you? And last, we've got Give Yourself an Instant Lift. Our classic lemon flavoured tea is a favourite for many. I think I have seen this brand, but not for a while. I feel like it's an old-fashioned brand. Since its launch in the 1970s, Lift has been a brand leader in the instant flavour tea market. Instant flavour tea? Instant flavour tea? Flavoured tea that's instant, like coffee, and it's available in a range of delicious flavours including original lemon, lemon reduced sweetness and peach. Whether you enjoy a warming winter fruit tea or a refreshing summer iced tea, you're sure to get an instant uplift. Make me hot or cold, blah 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 blah. I guess we're going to have that in there as well, so let's just dive in, see if we can find that. Do you know, I'm so good, I'm so good. Look, here we go. Lift. Well, you've heard what it's all about just then. I'm guessing that's full size. This is the product of the month even. Our classic lemon flavoured tea is a favourite for many, and it's worth £1.49. I've never tried this. It's got vitamin C, maybe it's good, I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you like it? To me it's a bit weird. I wonder what it looks like. Maybe you can see that. That's what it looks like inside. So I guess you've got the milk, some tea. That smells... Can I swear on my channel? Let me know down below if you mind me swearing or not. Oh, that smells absolutely rank. It smells like wee. It smells like stale wee. Or like, you know, if a kid's weed its pants and have been sitting in it for a while. I don't even know why I keep sniffing it. I don't know if there's a part of me that is ever going to put that in my mouth. Unless anyone thinks it might be funny to see me drink the wee stuff. Maybe. It doesn't smell of lemon at all. I don't know what is in that, but that is just rank. Dextrose, soluble solids of tea, acid, dry glucose syrup, acidity regulator, flavourings and sweetener. Well, I tell you what they didn't put in there. Something that smells of lemon. And that would have been smart because this stinks like nobody's business. I'm not excited about that. Can you imagine? Because normally I wouldn't have opened that. I don't even know why I did. Oh, right, what is this? Ah, Clipper. We can rely on Clipper. They will make us nice tea. 80 bags of our tea in unbleached bags, which is good. Better for the environment. Thank you. It's got a free gift inside. Ooh, a free tea towel. Free tea towel. Clipper, natural, fair and delicious. Clipper products are made with pure ingredients in a clear conscience. We use only the highest quality sources, add nothing artificial and strive to improve the welfare of the workers. No wonder Clipper tastes so good. So 80 unbleached bags of fair trade tea, a refreshingly brisk, full flavoured blend with a coppery golden colour, sourced from the finest estates in East Africa, India and Sri Lanka. Have you tried our green tea yet? We offer a wide range of specialty fruit and herbal teas as well as ground and instant coffees. And they probably don't smell like wee. 2 to 4 minutes, traded in compliance with fair trade standards, 100%. And it's either got one of 4 tea bags, which are these 4 tea bags on the side. And it says, we only work with producers who are striving to improve standards of welfare for workers and their families. The carton is biodegradable and can be recycled. So that is very, 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 very good. All of the good things. And which one did I get? We needed a new tea towel, but I might even keep this as a show towel. Does anyone else have show towels? I have a few tea towels that are just so pretty that I don't want them to get stained and messed up. Or I've got them when we've gone to concerts or something and for some reason they give out, well not give out, you buy tea towels. But yeah, sometimes I like stick them over the cupboard, or if I've got guests coming around, I'd like put them in strategic places to make me look more elegant. It's all in my head, isn't it? Nobody gives a crap what kind of tea towel I have. Oh dear. That is a nice tea towel. And it's pretty big as well. Look. I'll hold it up for 1 second. Right, that's enough. It smells natural, is what it smells of. That's really nice. I'm so impressed with that. I love a tea towel. And 80 whole bags of Clipper tea. Clipper is good quality tea. Obviously, being fair trade as well is a bonus. This is worth $2.89. Our delicious fair trade tea is big, bright and bold, delivering a quality cup of tea you'll want to come back to again and again. All Clipper products are made with pure natural ingredients and a clear conscience. So yeah, and a tea towel. And a tea towel. Clipper, you are the ones. Lift, take note. Right, what else is in here? Ooh. New from Heinz, exciting. Well, at least I've never seen it before. Heinz Creations with a Z. Mexican beans. I know I'm being weird. It's the mask. It's making me do strange things. It's like a Jim Carrey situation. Chipotle style with chorizo. Transform tacos and brighten up burritos. Oh, interesting. Transform tacos with Creations Mexican beans. It says okay, avocado, some tacos, some mixed salad. Oh, okay. So just avocado, beans, some salad in your taco. The Heinz Creations range comes in 4 delicious world flavours, Spanish, Italian and Mexican beans, as well as lentil curry. Perfect for taking to work for a quick lunch or as a tasty and speedy addition to your dinner. And that's £1.75, full size. Ooh! Do you know what? So far, apart from that bloody stinky stuff, I'm loving this box. Shreddies. Shreddies keep you locked up till lunch. Originally Original Shreddies Breakfast to Go, $1.99. All new, all in one Nestle on the go solution, coming with a portion of Shreddies cereals and a carton of milk. Packed in a recyclable cup with a spoon. Well done, I like that. Simply pour the milk onto the cereals and you're ready to eat in seconds. I do like Shreddies. I don't even mind them without sugar or anything. I'm quite a fan of Shreddies actually. It says best served chilled, but I really like that it comes with everything. And it's 45 grams of cereal, which is awesome because you know sometimes they say, oh, a recommended daily amount is like 25 grams. Who eats 25 grams of cereal? No one. That leaves you hungry, not hunger gone, hunger staying. So this is a decent amount. You've got the milk in the top there. Yeah, I'm very impressed with that. Might even have it for a late night snack. Or technically dinner because I haven't had dinner yet. Or lunch. Or breakfast. But anyway, I've had a pack of Pip Box. That's alright for a day, isn't it? Alright, what is this? Oh, look. This is from the earlier Upbeat. And what did I get? A summer lemon. Typical. I don't bloody want lemon drinks. I wanted the berry one. Anyway, it might be delicious though. It's not like I hate lemonade, is it? So get over it, Viv. So get over it. Okay. High protein, low calorie, no sugar. Wake up, kick ass, repeat. It's got vitamins, real fruit, suitable for vegetarians, enriched hydration for strength, energy and mental performance, spring water enriched with protein and B vitamins, with fruit juice from concentrate and sweeteners. This is £1.59. You should receive 2 bottles. 2 bottles. Where's the other one? Oh, I'm happy now because I've got the other one. This is the blueberry and raspberry and all the same information. Still got vitamin B, which is very good for you. I'm going to taste it now. I was going to wait, but... Okay, it's not terrible. It's not quite got enough flavour. It's like a weak juice to me. But it tastes okay. I'd drink it. I'm going to put it in the fridge because I think it'd be nice and cool. I wouldn't pay £1.59 for it now that I've had it because it's just not enough flavour for me personally. But if you're a kind of person who likes a weaker kind of juice, it's pretty nice. Oh, something else from Santa Maria Latin America Kitchen. Vegetarian and vegan. Oh, that's nice because we've had quite a few products from them, but we've not had a vegetarian and vegan product yet. It's a Mexican spiced tomato sauce for vegetables. Oh, it's trying to escape me, which is good because this could go with a lot of things, a spiced tomato sauce, couldn't it? It uses one of Mexico's most beloved but not so internationally recognised chilies, the guajillo. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. Chili. It's characterised by its slightly fruity flavour and gives a sweet heat that's a favourite in many Mexican chickens. In many Mexican kitchens and works beautifully in this cooking sauce. Chili peppers originate in Mexico where they've been cultivated for food for more than 6,000 years. This is £1.89. This is ready in 15 minutes. Right, what have we got here? Oh no. My husband is not drinking for the whole of October. So kind of October. I know that's mostly about smoking, but you can do it with not drinking as well. And he's done so well. He has lost a stone just from not drinking. I'm so proud of him. So we don't really want this in the house, but you know, maybe I'll get rid of it on the birthday party. Jack Daniel's originally recipe, Tennessee honey liqueur, perfectly mixed with lemonade. He has actually tried the Jack Daniel's with honey and he does like it, but in kind of small doses because it is quite sweet. Oh, you should receive 2, of course. 2 in the month when we're not drinking. Thank goodness they won't go off. And they're £2 each. And we've got my ginger beer, the drink for me. Very happy. I wonder if it's nice or nasty. Now, I know this would be nicer cold, so it doesn't lose points for that, but that is delicious. That is the exact kind of ginger beer that I like. A bit of sweetness, plenty of ginger, but not so much that it blows your head off, but it doesn't taste weird. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy because there's other ones like Fentimans and stuff which are okay, but I don't love the taste of. But this is something I really enjoy the taste of. Thank you so much to Degustabox and Supermalt for giving this to me. This is £1.19. That's not so bad because it is a glass bottle actually. It's made by using real ginger extract and a delicate hint of lemongrass to give it a truly refreshing drink with an energising fiery kick. Best served ice cold. Enjoy as a full flavoured soft drink or as a mixer for your favourite cocktails. Yum, yum, yum. Well, nearly at the end. Oh, for goodness sake. KitKat, which I love. I am actually in love with white chocolate KitKats at the moment. Every time they're on sale, I am like buying 2 packs, which is not helping me out, but they're so tasty and the chocolate is so thick. So I do love a KitKat. And lemon KitKats, I've just tried those as well. They were on sale and they're pretty good. I have to say, I do like them. And now we have a salted caramel fudge KitKat. What do you think I'm going to say? I don't like salted caramel. Meh. 65p, an exciting, indulgent, salty sweet taste sensation. Unwrap, snap off a chunk and enjoy this delicious smooth milk chocolate crispy wafer with a caramel fudge flavoured topping of KitKat Crunchy salted caramel fudge. That's a long phrase, isn't it? Yeah, that is salty. I think as a flavour combination, it goes really well. I do think that that is nice. And I think if you're not a salted fan like me, you will be able to cope with it. If you have a whole bit together, just don't do what I did and just pick it off and just have it all in one lump. But the fudge flavour and the caramel does really come through at the end. It is nice. Just not going to be my favourite. Last item, and it's this. We had to have something healthy, didn't we? Get Fruity Bar Moist Mixed Berry. No artificial bits, gluten-free and vegan. 130 calories. Made in Cornwall, that's exciting. Berry fruit bar made from a blend of fruit juice, concentrate and whole grain oats. Doesn't say nuts, so I'm excited so far. Low in salt, source of fibre. Look at the colour of that. That is really berry coloured. This is 70p. It's an award-winning moist mixed berry bar. That is actually pretty good. It makes me think I'm eating flapjack, which confuses me for a second because it obviously doesn't taste like flapjack. It tastes like berry stuff. I would actually buy that and think, oh yes, that's a nice healthy thing for me to have. I mean, it's not the most healthy because it's still 130 calories, you know. You can get bags of crisps with less calories in than that. But it is a nice snack. I'm just going to go and quickly add this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so this month's total value is £19.73, which is not bad. With the Degustabox, you don't really get twice the cost of the box. So it kind of goes without saying that I'm not judging it the same as my beauty boxes, but I do judge it on what's inside, and I do think everything here is pretty awesome, apart from this, like the rankest stuff ever, if you go by scent. I think this is a really nice box. There's lots of new things in here for me to try, on the verge of great for me, I think. I don't know, maybe just the mask is making me super happy. It did say, didn't it, that it was going to leave me feeling good. So maybe Degustabox have been lucky here because I've had this on and it's just made me extra happy. It's definitely been on for more than 20 minutes, so should we just take it off now? It's still pretty wet, like it's sort of dried a bit more up here, but I guess that the liquid's draining downwards. Amazing. Do I look amazing? I don't know if it's because my skin is wet. I feel like maybe it looks a bit bright. I mean, my redness and stuff isn't gone. It didn't really say it was going to cure skin problems. It just said it's going to restore your skin, recharge mind and restore skin. And I do feel pretty good actually. I don't know if it's the food, I don't know if it's the chocolate, I don't know if it's the mask, but I'm actually in a pretty good mood and possibly, and definitely, yeah, definitely a better mood than I was in when I started. I wasn't in a bad mood, but I feel better and I do feel quite relaxed and I don't feel tired either, even though it is really way past my bedtime. So maybe this mask did do something. I don't know. That's weird, isn't it? Who knows? But what I'm going to do now is, because there's still liquid left in here, I'm going to shove it back in and I'm going to eat some food and then I'm going to put it back on and fall asleep probably with it on, because that's the kind of weird stuff that I do. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful to find out about all these things and this thing, and tell me what you think of everything down below. Anyway, see you guys next time for my next unboxing, and until then, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.